Here at the Urban Ecology Center in Washington Park, we have lots of fun doing all sorts of things, like fun environmental games, going on field trips, and canoeing. We also have a branch at Riverside Park and another beautiful location in the Menominee River Valley. For our research project, we decided to compare the number of bird species in the forest at Washington Park to that at Riverside, and to do the same with the species around the water habitats. For 3 weeks, we did traveling bird counts in the forest and water habitats in both parks, and then compared the number of bird species that we found. We learned that there were more water and forest birds at Washington Park than at Riverside Park.
Hi, I'm Kelly Nail, and I'm a scientist with the Driven to Discover program, and we're here today to talk a bit about your project and what you've done with citizen science. So, Marie, I was wondering, how did your group come up with this question that you used for your project?
Well, a lot of times we're walking around in Washington Park, going on bird watches, playing games, things like that, and we also go to Riverside Park very often, and it's a beautiful park. And we love both of the parks, and we were wondering, we see birds there in both parks all the time. We were wondering, well, how many species could be in each park? And so we decided as a group that it would be a fun idea to compare the bird species in both parks, and they both have water environment and a forest environment, the one in Riverside Park being the a river. And the Milwaukee River, and we have a lagoon in Washington Park, so we thought it'd be a cool idea.
William, one thing we're wondering about is, what is citizen science to you, and why do you think your particular project was important?
Well, to me, citizen science it's more of a passion project. And the significance of our research and how it applies to citizen science is, I believe it was very significant. It tells us, it tells anybody what bird species were in those specific habitats. It tells maybe the State Department of Natural Resources maybe if there's an endangered bird or threatened bird there, maybe how significant that habitat would be for that bird's survival. It also tells other citizen scientists what to look for in those sites.
So, Marie, how has this project influenced your life, either right now or in what you want to do in the future?
I notice a lot of birds outside more, not just, there's a bird. Say I could more easily identify a bird as a robin or a warbler or anything like that. But even in school, too, I think more about doing research. It helped me with projects because I have ways to find answers for questions and to do research, and it helps a lot.
Great. Thank you so much.